A committee instituted by Patrick Amuriat, the president of the Forum for Democratic Change, FDC, to investigate internal wrangles among members has faulted four-time presidential candidate Dr. Kiiza Besigye of failing to provide evidence in his accusations against Secretary General Nandala Mafabi. The committee led by Dr. Frank Nabwiso released its report at the party headquarters Wednesday morning. The report read by Dr. Nabwiso chairperson showed that Dr. Besigye failed to adduce evidence to claims that Mafabi had received dirty money from statehouse.
It's also important, as shown in the serial number of the new notes of money, which he recorded, which he says came from statehouse. But it is also true that the statehouse pays money to its clients, suppliers of this or that, goods and services, and that money still ends up in commercial banks. It is also true that the money that Nandala took to Dr. Besigye was not the same money that Dr. Besigye gave back to FDC headquarters. The other ills we identified, we said that Dr. Besigye's refusal to campaign for Amuriat in 2020-21 disadvantaged other FDC candidates.
Dr. Nabwiso also questioned why Dr. Besigye, who was not the party treasurer, could allow to keep shillings 300 million from Nandala Mafabi.
Besigye is the man who became the first president of the party. Therefore, he's a key figure. And it is very important that we preserve his name. Secondly, before we issued this report, we met with the four party leaders. So let me read this. We met them in the FDC boardroom on Wednesday, 12th July 2025. The people, 23, sorry. The people we met were Honorable Dr. Kiiza Besigye, Honorable Amuriat, Honorable Mafabi, and Honorable Akakiiko.
The committee also found out that Mafabi had got a loan of Uganda shillings 500 million from Stanbic Bank, part of which was given to Dr. Kiiza Besigye.
So we should not waste time bickering on things which we cannot prove. We should focus on what is positive, what Ugandans want. They want change in power. And therefore, I want you to help us, help FDC, not to waste time, valuable time, but to bring out the current problems this country is facing. Our population growth tells us that in 27 years' time, Uganda will have 103 million people.
Amuriat instituted the committee to reconcile the two parties of Dr. Besigye and Mafabi. The two camps are yet to reconcile. Dr. Nabwiso cautioned members to be vigilant, especially at this time when the party is undergoing a storm. Responding to questions on the suspension of FDC whip in Parliament, Ssemujju Ibrahim Nganda, acting party spokesperson, noted proper procedures have to be followed for anybody to be suspended.
Later, if I'm not out, all of you read it. The president said in that letter that he will out the reasons when they appear before the chairman of the disciplinary committee. So the reasons I don't know them even myself. Because the letter is written properly. But the reasons will be given at that point when they appear.
He said Ssemujju was just replaced because of misbehaving.